Hello everybody, this is Vlad Dan, and in this short tutorial we are going to see how we can create a color variation for our nParticle in Maya when working with V-Ray. Let's get to it. So first of all, let's create real quick an emitter. At this point, our emitter type doesn't really matter, so I will leave it to volume 1 and play the animation. After that, go to nParticle shapes, and under the shading tab, change the point type to spheres, so the end result will be more clearly. After that, go to Add Dynamics Attribute and add Particle Attributes. After that, you can see a new attribute has been generated, the RGB PP. So right click and create an expression. The expression we are going to use, it's pretty simple, and what it does is to set for every channel RGB the volume 1. After you finish your expression, just click create. If we play the animation, we can clearly see the color variation for our particle. Select the particle and assign a new material. Since we are going to render our scene with V-Ray, go to V-Ray tab and search for V-Ray MTL. At this point, if we try to render our scenes with V-Ray, the color variation won't be visible. So let me just create a real quick V-Ray sphere light. Check the invisible so it won't be distracted, and try to render our scene. So just white, our particle is just white. So in order to fix it, we have to do a few stuff more. Let's open the Harvest Shade and add a new node, the particleSamplerInfo. Expand its options and connect the RGB PP to color. If we now try to render our scene, again it won't be visible. The last step is to select our nParticle shapes and go to Attributes, V-Ray, per Particle Attribute Export. Go down the list and check the RGB. Now if we try to render our scene, the colored particle will be visible, as you can clearly see. That's it. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one.